Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your assets and tools. Export or crop images as PNG or SVG at roughly 128 times 128 with transparent background so they scale well. Next, install a keyboard app or emoji pack manager that supports custom uploads. Once installed, enable it in settings and grant permissions or full access if the app requires it. Make sure the app has an import or sticker creation feature. This is where you'll add images into an emoji component. Now you import and format each emoji so it behaves like a real keyboard glyph. Open the app's import or new sticker tool, select your prepared images, then crop and resize. Add 8-12% padding so edges don't get clipped. Assign shortcodes, keywords, or tags for quick search, and pick categories or a new pack name. Once done, save the pack and follow prompts to publish it to the keyboard, assigning it to a slot or frequently used row so you can access it while typing. Finish by enabling and testing your new emojis in real conversations. Switch to the custom keyboard, open the pack, and insert several emojis into messages to check size, alignment, and whether shortcodes expand correctly. If an emoji looks cropped or missing, clear the app cache, confirm the image format is supported, PNG or SVG, and recheck keyboard permissions. Once done, re-import the problematic files with corrected padding or dimensions. If issues persist, restart the keyboard app or the device and test again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.